friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're planning for the week of October 3rd through October 9th, and I'm going to be using the crisp kit, or what I have left of the crisp kit from Coffee Planner Mom. Now at this point, Coffee Planner Mom should have a new PR team, so make sure you're following her on Instagram. I'll still have her linked below, just because I love her stickers so much and I use them all the time. And then you can find them too. Like if you see a kit that I use and you say, man, I really want that kit, you know where to find it. And then if you want 15% off, if you go to her Instagram or if you sign up for her newsletter, you'll be able to see, hey, who has a 15% off code. And when I purchase from her, if I use the code, I will let you know. Okay. All that fun stuff. I am filming this on Saturday the 1st. Let's move this guy out of the way. It's been a lot of filming today. The last two, I knew like last week and then this weekend would be a lot of filming. So good times, good times. All right, let's go ahead and put the date covers on. Fabulous. Wonderful. All right, sidebar. There's just certain things I do that I'm like, let's just knock that out. And I'm looking at what I have going on this week, and it looks like I have an appointment here and then I have girls' night here. And other than that, it should be pretty chill. We like that. We like that a lot. Okay, so I've got 4 full boxes like that. I've got a checklist box. So we got 5. I also have layering, but I don't think I'm going to use that. I thought I might, but that might be for a different spread. So we'll put that to the side. I've got square boxes, quarter boxes, all that fun stuff. So let's do choices. I have the weekend banner. No, I don't. I use the weekend banner. Never mind. I don't have the weekend banner. I guess I could. I don't think I have the word weekend though. Like I could technically just do like the leaves or something like that as the weekend banner. But I think I'll wait. I've got quotes I can use. It'll all be good. So let's do All right, I know I've been really quiet, but I had to focus because apparently I can't put a full box down today. Weird. All right, next, let's use some of these square boxes. I like me a good square box. And I think we'll go with kind of the tan one for our appointment here. Oh dear, let go, let go, let go. Thank you. And then girls' night, let's use kind of the brownie box. Like that. And then I have 2 quotes. And maybe we put, oh, you know what? I'll keep using the square boxes there. Why not? I have an idea. It just kind of came to me. And then let's use the gold one. Navy. Oh, that's kind of weird. I think we'll leave it though. It's just I'm having a hard time laying things down straight today, but we will make it work, right? That's all we're gonna do. We're gonna make it work. All right, and then I had an idea. Yes, 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 yes. I do have an October sticker, so we're gonna put this guy up in the corner. I realized that I have a lot of fall stickers, and so I better use them because you can only use them for so long. That one's gonna look funky there. Never mind. 0 out of 10, do not recommend. Let's do something different there. Back out, back out. Okay. What if we put you down here? Okay. You're like, no, no, bad. No, no. Let's do maybe this guy. Yeah, he's better. So yeah, I was like, you better use them because you only have so many weeks of fall. And then you're going to want to do holiday spread. So same with Coffee Planner Mom has a Thanksgiving kit, and I always like using the Thanksgiving kit for, you guessed it, Thanksgiving. It's funny how that works. And then she has a New Year's kit. So there's only so much time to use these stickers, and I'm going to enjoy them. I'm going to enjoy them all, or at least that's the goal. So now that I've got that done, I do want to put some sort of like habit tracker thing, but I might make my own. I don't know. Let's do every leaf speaks bliss to me over. Or do we have, wait for it. Maybe we put this long guy right there. Or do we want the shorter one? Maybe the shorter one. Yes. Why am I so excited about this? I don't know. It just brings me joy. And let's put this guy here, this side. Oh, I just had another idea. Sometimes you just have to sit down and start doing stuff, unsure of where it's going to take you, and then bam, there it is. Put this one here. I do want to put, so let's put appointment in this box. Got that. And then I do want to put a few other boxes down here. Let's put, although maybe I don't need to. Maybe I don't need to. Maybe I'll save these for my teacher planner, because I haven't done that one yet. No, okay, I feel like I need something there though. Do I have another quote I could put? I do. Let's do the I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers. Because again, you can only use that quote so long. All right, probably gonna get quiet again, but here we go. Friends, this looks amazing. I'm so excited. Okay, so we have many things we can just consolidate. So I'm going to actually use, I think this page. So when I'm consolidating stickers, what I do is I pull off like all of the rest of the sticker paper here. Maybe. Come on, let go. Let go. We're showing the people what to do. And I usually try to pick the one that has like the teenier pieces so I don't have to pull those off. So like on the full box sheet, I only have these 2 boxes left, so I just take those off. So that it's not bulking up my sticker storage, but I also know where everything is. Like this is clearly the crisp kit. I have some pumpkins. I have some checklist. Let go, pumpkin. Let go, pumpkin. And I think I'll even put the fall quotes from the fall quote sheet on here if I have space, just so that, again, it's all in one spot. I don't have to worry about where it's at, because the functional box page, it's still pretty full, so we're gonna leave that alone. Leaves are done. I'll take out pumpkin spice and everything nice. Put that down here. Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. And Oh My Gourd. So yeah, that's how I consolidate it. So when I put these guys back in my sticker book, it's not taking up as much space. Oh, I was gonna do a habit tracker-y thing. Let's use the gold. And then we will use the brown just to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we can just kind of color in a border there and there, and maybe thicken it up down at the bottom. And let's do the same thing. We'll do 2 habit trackers. Oh, wrong side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome sauce. That is going to do it for this plan with me. I just love how the bottom turned out. I love how the whole thing turned out. It's amazing. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. I'll also link Coffee Planner Mom where you can get this kit. And I will catch you all in the next one.